Welcome to lesson 4 in the differentiation series. Okay, let's go straight into it. Okay, so we differentiate basically what we've been differentiating, but now they're going to be sort of all in the same function. So y is equal to x squared plus 7x plus 4. So dy dx is equal to, so the x squared, we put the 2 in front of the x, and it's 2x to the 1, which is just 2x. The 7x, if you remember, just becomes 7, and the 4 just disappears. Differentiate or find dy dx if y is equal to 4x cubed plus 5x minus 8. So dy dx is equal to, so when we differentiate that, we put the 3 in front of the 4, and we subtract 1 from the 3, which gives us 2. The 5x becomes 5, and the negative 8 disappears. Just to tidy that up, 3 times 4 is 12, 12x squared plus 5. If y is equal to 7x to the 6 plus 3x to the 4 plus 2x plus 8, find dy dx. Bit of a monster, this one, but we know how to do it, so no problem at all. Dy dx is equal to, put the 6 in front of the 7 and subtract 1. For the next part, put the 4 in front of the 3, multiply, and then subtract 1 from the 4 to give us 3. The 2x becomes 2, and the 8 disappears. Let's just tidy that up. 6 times 7 is 42, x to the 5. 4 times 3 is 12, x cubed plus 2. We've got some negatives in here. So y is equal to x to the negative 3 plus 5x to the negative 2 plus 6x minus 8 dy dx. It's the same process. The negative 3 goes in front, and we subtract 1, and when we subtract 1 we get negative 4. The next one, the negative 2 goes in front. I'll just put that in brackets there because of that positive sign, times 5x, and we subtract 1 from the negative 2 to give us negative 3. The 6x just becomes 6, and the negative 8 disappears. Just going to tidy that up. Negative 3x to negative 4. Positive and the negatives, that's going to be negative 2 times 5, which is negative 10, x to the negative 3 plus 6. Okay, so these are the questions from the worksheet. If you want to pause the video, have a go yourself, and then come back. Okay, welcome back. So y is equal to x squared plus 5x plus 6. That's going to give us 2x plus 5. Number 2, y is equal to x to the 5 minus 2x. The x to the 5 goes in front, 5x to the 4 minus 2. Y is equal to x to the power of 6 plus 7. The 6 goes in front, it becomes x to the 5, and the 7 disappears. Y is equal to 2x cubed plus 3x plus 1. We want to find dy dx, we want to differentiate. Okay, so the 3 goes in front of the 2, and we multiply, and then x squared. The 3x becomes 3, and the 1 disappears, and I'm just going to tie that up. The 3 times 2 is 6. Okay. We're going to put the 4 in front of the 2, we're multiplying there. Subtract 1 from the 4 gives us 3. This is minus 6, and the minus 2 disappears. 4 times 2 is 8, 8x cubed minus 6. Okay, again, you might just want to pause the video, have a go yourself, and then come back and see if your answers agree with mine. Okay, welcome back. So 4x cubed, we're differentiating this whole thing. 4x cubed becomes 3 times 4x squared. The 5x squared becomes 2 times 5x, and the 9 disappears. Just tallying that up, 3 times 4 is 12, x squared, 2 times 5 is 10, 10x. Number 7, y is equal to 2x to the 5 plus x squared plus 8. Going to differentiate this, we're going to find dy dx. I'm going to put the 5 in front of the 2, which makes 10, x to the 4, x squared becomes 2x, and the 8 disappears. Number 8, y is equal to x squared minus 7x plus 2. Put the 2 in front of the x, and then the minus 7x becomes minus 7. Number 9 looks quite tricky and quite a lot to do here, but we just follow the steps each time. I'm going to show my working out actually. So that we put the 4 in front of the half, and then subtract 1 from the 4. The plus 3x squared, put the 2 in front of the 3, I'm going to write that as x to the 1, plus 5x is plus 5, and the minus 4 disappears. 4 times a half of 4 is 2, 2x cubed, 2 times 3 is 6. Now x to the 1, don't forget, is just x plus 5. And the final question has a negative in here, just have to be a little bit careful, but we know how to do this. So I put the negative 2 in front, take away 1, gives us negative 3. This part here, put the 2 in front, x to the 1, plus 10x just becomes plus 10. So that is minus 2x negative 3 plus 2x plus